Jessie coming in with a video. And let me just get these first disclaimers out. My fingernail just went through my underwear right there, so pay no mind. My boobs are inside of my bra. This is just extra fat from when I was 455 pounds. But I was talking about embracing your beauty and embracing your flaws. And as you can see, I have a lot. I have this here, this here, this here, these extra saddlebags here. This is the scar from my gastric bypass, from my getting my gallbladder taken out. So many, but I just came to show you all that beauty comes in all shapes and sizes, and to show you all the progress that I have made since the last video. And I said I was going to take a video of me in a two-piece swim set, but I haven't been able to find one. And if you all notice, another one of my flaws is that I'm lopsided. I have one boob up, one boob down. But I made this video to show you all the progress that I've made. I tried to try this bra on a year ago, and I was not able to fit it. And I am back to my normal size, where I love being a size 48 double D. I know that might be too much, but I just wanted to show you all. Look at how my knees are from where I have flaws. I have lymphodemas on my legs, but you know what? I just want to be me. And this just goes to show, you know, a lot of beautiful big women, we come in all shapes and sizes. And y'all, I'm leaning up against this wall because my back is burning. It is on fire, okay? But beauty comes in all sizes. You have small, medium, large, extra large, BBW, BBSW, and BBBBSW. So they come in all shapes and sizes. So never be ashamed of who you are or what you are, because you can always fix yourself. You can always, excuse the shaking, y'all. That's because my back is truly on fire. But I just came to show y'all my progress, and that I am still working. I am still doing it. My ankles are swollen, and they're not swollen because of fat. They're swollen because I have sprung them so many times from working at the stadium, running up and down those steps. Boy, and that was some kind of pain. So again, this is just short, brief, to the point. I'm just gonna be me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that red button. And again, I do apologize to anyone in advance that doesn't like this video. Thank you and goodbye.